Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. Throughout this meditation, we'll turn our awareness towards the soundscape around us as a way to quiet the mind. Start by settling into a comfortable, supported position. Gently allow your eyes to close. Without tension, lengthen your back. Find a restful place for your arms to rest. Let your shoulders release and feel your face begin to soften. Become aware of the places where your body connects to the floor or chair, and let yourself relax, connected to these points. And as you feel yourself arriving fully into this space, take a few deep, full breaths. Let your inhales be expansive and full, and notice the gentle, progressive contractions of your exhales. With each breath, release tension bit by bit. Let your breaths begin to gradually quiet your thoughts. Observe your breathing. Inhaling, notice your ribs and lungs grow and widen in all directions like a balloon inflating. Exhaling, feeling your ribs soften and surrender, allowing that balloon to slowly deflate. Your breath flows in, and your breath flows out. Again, and again, and again. Now turn your attention from your breath towards sound. Allow your awareness to notice sounds as they arise. Without getting involved in what the sounds mean or where they come from, tune into your sense of hearing, observing sounds that are far away, beyond the room or immediate space you find yourself in. These might be subtle, like the sound of rain in the distance, the sound of a car passing by, or a distant conversation. The idea here is simply to note the sound as it arises. Notice the distant sounds in their entire distinct way. Observe the sound as it begins, all the way through to its ending. And then the silence between sounds. And now draw your awareness into the room or space around you. Hear these sounds closer by. Notice how they appear and disappear without effort. The sound arises, and then it's gone. And for a few moments, tune into the sounds without getting caught up in the details of what you are hearing. You are not searching out noises. Simply remain open to whatever it is you notice naturally. And now, tune in a little closer still. Notice the sounds that are very close by. You might become aware of the sound your breath makes as it enters and exits your nose or mouth. Perhaps you'll notice the spontaneous internal noises of your digestive tract. Or the sounds your body makes as you swallow. These sounds may be harder to notice, so it's okay if you don't hear anything in this moment. You can also observe the absence of sound and the space between sounds. And now, widen your attention so that you are in the simple act of hearing. Allow the soundscape from near and far to enter into your observation. Keep it simple. You're not trying to name the sounds or understand their sources. You are simply hearing them just as they are. If you catch yourself wandering off into thought, lovingly bring your attention back to the experience of hearing. And now, soften your awareness. Take a moment to notice your experience. Notice how you feel. We're often bombarded with sounds, and yet they easily end up blending into the background and out of our awareness. And in our meditation practice, we might make concerted efforts to find quiet spaces to practice in. And noises seem like an awful distraction or nuisance. But just like all of our senses, hearing can serve as a very effective tool for meditation. Much like our breath, sound is always with us and can be used to call ourselves back into the present. Noises and the pauses between them are always accessible to us. And when we take the time to truly be present with our sense of hearing, sounds go from unnoticed or irritating to a pathway back to ourselves, our environment, in this very moment. So the next time you catch yourself lost in thoughts of the past or the future, tap into your sense of hearing. Let the sounds around you, from far off all the way to your internal ones, gently guide you back into the now. And once more, become aware of your breath. Inhale all the way to the top of your lungs. And exhale all the way to the bottom. Bringing gentle movement back into your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation, and we'll see you tomorrow.